Hello guys, we are now at our chalet, which is up those stairs over there. I'll take you there shortly. I just want to walk you around a bit so you can see where we're at in the world. This is the trampoline. That's the Sundays River right there. Flowing, you can hear it flowing. Come around into this cool little garden. A bit of a foofy slide, some swings, some cool kid stuff. Coming up to the introduction of the, whoopsie, you can't go that way. There's the thunder in the background, threatening its storm. There's a little pathway here. Let me go up and check out this chalet. Very nice place, this, gosh. And you guys think? What do you think? Thumbs up if you think it's rad. Let me go and see what's going on here. Coming up. Taz is coming down. Hello, Taz.
Hello, Cameron.
That's the view from the front door. As the rain's coming.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that. First room. Pretty rad. Second room. Over here. Full service kitchen. Beautiful bathroom. Lovely shower. And a little upstairs pawsy here. Love this. Oh, cute, man. Little kid-sized beds. It's a bit hot up here, gosh. And then we come down this onto our deck. Hey, hello you guys. What you doing? Hello. Hello my darling. How's it? How are you? What's your name? What's your name? So we're going to hopefully have a braai here, but the rain's threatening to wet everything, which was my fear. Guys, let me know what you think. Don't just like us, don't just share us, don't just follow us. Come and join us.